You know the Queffer boss represent for pretty girls so rough them up. I said queff them and about over door. Queffer, man.
It's a hot thing when when people are say yeah get born from woman, but when you notice say it's a nice thing. Dirty man them, yeah, for real, some start dirty man. There's no next man body. Yeah, the one last night I got plan. Yes. I hear about it. Share about the girls. Let me pin your comment because you said there's nothing special about him in bed. You tell me why there's nothing special about him in bed no, mama. Because I look like say you going to bed. You don't know, say on one side sitting this. If him not going with nothing, you know, feel say you should have put ice in your mouth and blow underneath him balls and make him cocky turn up. If you feel saying cocky not turn up, you know, put ice in your mouth and help with the situation. When you go and like say man, them man cocky with dead when the pussy not going with nothing either. I'm not just dead, we don't know spirit. We know spirit just dead. So you feel so you can't just sit in there too. Put look ice in your mouth and something and just go and deal with it. We not going like say man, them alone fault. Some man have some ranking fishy to you know, not even want to know. Sort out, one not sort out, and not talk about the man cocky car. Our man cocky car no good and he have so much man run him down. From me I hear about him, me I hear say my fuck enough girl. Eh? Turn about me no about ice chick. Eh? No, and man fight man. We don't go sit down there. We don't do sit down there and wait them in our blouse and skirt. So we not in our little lingerie now. No say come on, so we wear lingerie come and dance instead of put on in our house, you know. But so we not say in coming now. I don't do there. We not have a little thing on. Someone just feel say if a man just come out, you know, just we not blow. They calling cracking my glass with the champion drink too. And tears off a champagne next one and know if you do. We not contact me. Hey. But I love me, go on here, there, boy. I take notes. Yo, the love, father, the love, the love, the love, father. Look, why? The man that G still, you know, when they come to woman. When they come to woman, but they like he fuck someone at this thing, you know, when I see a man come. When a man come with a little something, you can't talk. But if we hear everybody talk about say father look something still. Diary, go out from life. Yeah, price. Then I know man, they go like him alone for come and do something. Hey, I want to be lucky, you know, we have to spice up a man. The man are not boring man. Upper levels with Uno because some are on skin lumpy. Some are going to do surgery, you know, skin lumpy. Some are on the body tough. So I don't know, lucky that I look pound, you just call my sister. Fanny look pound, you say my sister. Classic shot boss, love me. Fanny look pound, you say my sister, because I know you not put nothing there so. But yet still, you wish it happen. Yeah, every woman, most woman me hear talk say have a big thing. So, I don't understand how some women say no special in a bed. If you're not special in a bed, baby, you can't have a man and know say man not go on good. For the first time you go, and you're not going good. I'm going to see you struggle. Me not go back there. Next time you call me, I'm busy, you know, me there work. That's why I work hard, you know. Because me woman love tell people say me I work, you know. Me busy, me there work. Where are you? Me say me there work. Oh, you work when you there off? Me say me don't know yet. So me say me don't know yet. And when me get all my day off, me just step on. Me just step on. Sure. Yeah. You know, me no call 2 persons until you know say. You have one next early shift next day. You call them late. Well, if they love the limelight, we're lucky, they're lucky. Father, look, ease them up and show a cocky on them. Anybody will get fuck and duck for them problem. I feel them problem. You should have spice up a man. You feel so because nobody sexy and nobody look good. Somehow, no. Love me diary, but son. It's just like them just boring and them expect the man to just come and just start pan them. Press it. Tell them say correct, say no press it. Make some girl know say, oh, we like you out the road, we see and we like you and we say yeah. But sometimes some man see some woman and like them by the time them read someone with them, you know? In our house or something. Them can't hold a proper conversation, they don't know if it talk say. It's like them just dumb, they don't know if it's said to the man. I don't expect a man to have little nature to stand up pound and sitting. A man cocky dead when do something about it, sort it out. When no sit down and go like someone no want sort it out. What I go do? We no come back and talk say man cocky dead. For what? When something wrong with the no hole or something or no energy, no the energy have to do it, you know. Relationship broke up. Me no want to broke up at all. Me no want to broke up, I want to go on good.